Hello friend, we are going to discuss expansion and contraction in demand. Demand. Expansion and contraction in demand is related to law of demand. Law of demand. Demand is inversely proportional to price. Means as demand rises, price decreases, or price rises, demand decreases. This is called price effect of demand. Then what is expansion and contraction in demand? We can see it with an example of a graph. Let's take a graph. We know that demand curve is always downward sloping. Downward sloping means negatively slope. This and this side quantity demanded, and here price with other factors are constant. Now for example, let's take this point as an absolute demand or an equilibrium point Q P. Here the main demand is in equilibrium. Next we can say when demand expands, quantity demanded expands to here, make it Q2, and price is here, it's price 2. Another demand can be here, this point is P1, Q1, then it D1, D2. Now see, what is expansion and contraction? Expansion means when demand expands. Demand, equilibrium demand is here, this one. When demand expands, it goes to here to here, this point. This is the expansion. So we can say when demand shifts toward right side, it is expansion. Now what is contraction? The main demand is here, this one. When it contracts to Q2, Q1, Q1 is here, Q2 is here, Q2, and this demand reduces from this point, it gets contracted or becomes short. So we can say leftward shift of demand is contraction. In demand curve, here we can also say from here to here, this shift is called, let's take another color, the shift from here to here, D to D1, it is contraction. And from here to here, D to D2, it is expansion. Expansion in demand. So in simple form we can say from the graph first point, expansion is shift of demand curve Q to Q2, price shift P to P2, demand shift D to D2. This is expansion. And what is contraction? Contraction, shift of demand curve Q to Q1, P to P1 and D to D1. It is contraction. In simple form we can say when demand reduces as the price increases, it is contraction. When demand increases as the price reduces, you can see when demand increases from here to here and price is going down here to here, then demand expands. Expands means individuals are demanding more. On the other hand, when demand reduces from here to here as price increases from here to here, it is called expansion. So when price increases, demand reduces. When demand increases, price reduces. The price effect of demand actually describes the contraction and expansion of demand. Okay friends, thank you.